Sleep Flow have got you if your partner sleeps like a fucking pig. You literally just peel this paper off the back like that. You just stretch it, peel off both sides like that. These are stretchy as well, super sticky, but they don't hurt when you take them off. Like that. I've got beards so it don't quite work. But they will stick to their mouth and stop your partner from snoring and keeping you up all night. You get 60 in a pack, super cheap at the moment, free shipping. Get yourself some and get yourself a good night's sleep. My missus is wearing this tonight, but she doesn't know it yet.